This is the 2025 Kia Telluride SX X-Line all-wheel drive. Since its introduction, the Telluride has become synonymous with value and upscale design in the midsize three-row SUV segment. This isn't Kia's most rugged offering, that's left to the X Pro, but the X-Line adds modest enhancements in capability and appearance over the standard SX. This example, optioned close to the limit, comes in at just under $61,000. That puts it in direct competition with the Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, Mazda CX-90, and even entry-level luxury SUVs. So the question is, has Kia done enough to justify this price point? Let's take a deeper look. The SX X-Line differentiates itself with a few unique touches. You get a revised grille with dark metallic finishes, satin chrome accents, 20-inch exclusive wheels, and a 0.4-inch suspension lift. The roof rails are functional and can support more weight than lower trims, up to 220 pounds dynamic and 450 pounds static. But the real story is in the details. Panel alignment is precise, and paint quality is uniform across all surfaces. Kia applies a multi-stage corrosion protection process that includes zinc-coated steel components, which are rarely mentioned but crucial for long-term durability, especially in regions with heavy road salt use. Underbody panels cover major sections of the floor plan, helping reduce aerodynamic drag and providing protection for key drivetrain components. Most owners won't notice, but these details improve fuel economy and lower interior cabin noise. Stepping inside the SX X-Line, it's clear Kia invested heavily in materials and perceived quality. Soft touch surfaces extend across the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Kia uses dual-density foam on armrest and high-touch areas to maintain long-term comfort without premature wear. The seats are covered in Kia's Syntex material by default, but this example upgrades to genuine Nappa leather. While it's not full grain, the hides are dyed through and tumbled for softness. Stitching is consistent and tight, without the puckering often found in competitors at this price point. The headliner is finished in a suede-like microfiber that extends down the pillars, enhancing the feeling of enclosure. And even the sun visors are wrapped in the same material, with damped hinges and illuminated mirrors, a feature that's frequently cheapened out in rivals. Switchgear is solid, the buttons have a damped return, rotary knobs have a tactile knurled finish, and most functions are logically placed. The metal trim you see isn't real metal, but it's convincing in texture and temperature variation. The dual curved displays dominate the dash, combining a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment system. Both offer crisp resolution and responsive inputs. However, the menu structure is dense. Simple adjustments like driver assist settings or display brightness require navigating through several submenus. For a vehicle at this price point, the lack of a walkaway auto lock system is a surprising omission. You'll have to lock the vehicle manually or use the Kia Connect app. And while the Digital Key 2.0 allows for smartphone access and sharing, the inconsistent execution of basic features like locking and unlocking leaves room for improvement. The X-Line gets a 10mm suspension lift over the standard XX, paired with unique springs and dampers to accommodate the additional height. But don't confuse it for a serious off-road package. There's no skid plate protection, no aggressive tires, and no self-leveling rear suspension as found on the X Pro. The ride is tuned for comfort first. Kia uses a Mac version strut front and multi-link rear suspension, both mounted to isolate subframes to limit MVH transmission. The bushings are hydraulic in several locations, which helps absorb small vibrations without compromising overall ride control. Kia's N3 platform employs over 60% high steel strength. Torsional rigidity is commendable, with additional bracing behind the dashboard and under the cargo area to improve body stiffness. This reduces cowl shake and panel resonance on rough surfaces. In real-world driving, the SX X-Line feels planted. It's not as athletic as a Mazda CX-90, but body roll is controlled. The steering is light but accurate, with an electric rack mounted on the column rather than the rack itself, prioritizing ease of use over driver feedback. Kia's efforts to minimize MVH pays dividends. Acoustic laminate front glass, triple door seals, and a comprehensive underbody treatment contribute to a hushed cabin. Wind noise is well controlled, even around the large side mirrors. Road noise is minimal, despite the 20-inch wheels and slightly taller ride height. Engine noise is subdued at cruise, but under heavy acceleration, the naturally aspirated V6 becomes more audible. There's a balance here between isolation and mechanical awareness that feels appropriate for the vehicle's mission. Powering the SX X-Line is Kia's familiar 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6. Output remains 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is standard in the X-Line and includes a center-locking differential that can split torque 50-50 in a slippery condition. The drivetrain is tuned for smoothness. Throttle tip-in is soft, and shift logic prioritizes seamless gear changes over responsiveness. 0 to 60 happens in about 7.5 seconds. That's adequate for daily driving, but those expecting urgency will need to manage expectations. Towing capacity is rated at 5,500 pounds for the X-Line, an increase over the standard all-wheel drive trims thanks to additional cooling and upgraded rear suspension components. Trailer sway control is integrated into the stability control system. Fuel economy is rated 18 city and 24 highway for the SX X-Line all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel numbers may vary depending on load and driving style, but the lack of turbocharging and direct injection complexities make this engine a known quantity for long-term reliability. Kia offers a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty. The first 3 years of maintenance are included. Maintenance intervals are every 7,500 miles for oil changes, and the all-wheel drive system requires periodic fuel changes for the transfer case and rear differential. At just under $61,000, the SX X-Line competes directly with vehicles like the Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, Mazda CX-90 Turbo S Premium, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited. Each brings something different, whether it's the turbocharged inline 6 of the Mazda or the off-road capability of the Jeep. What sets the Telluride apart is its spacious interior, refinement, and perceived value. It's one of the few in this segment that doesn't feel like it's trying to be something it's not. It embraces its role as a comfort, capable, and well thought out family vehicle. The 2025 Kia Telluride SX X-Line all-wheel drive doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it builds on a strong foundation with incremental improvements that makes it one of the most complete vehicles in its class. It's super spacious, it rides quietly, and while the technology can be overwhelming at times, and certain convenience features like walkway locking are missing, it's a vehicle that delivers where it matters most: comfort, usability, and long-term confidence. For buyers looking for a refined, capable, and handsome 3-row SUV without jumping to a luxury badge, the Telluride SX X-Line remains an excellent choice.